You did it.
It wasn't the bed, it was the dress.
It was the B-E-D bed.
Oh, it was the D-R-E-S dress.
We ought to have arguments like this more often.
Oh, God, if it's a girl, I hope it gets your genes so at least it'll know how to cook.
Oh, honey, it was going so good there. Hey, don't say things like that anymore, okay?
Why not?
Because the kid can hear us. You know, we gotta make him think that Osby and Harriet are out here waiting for him. You know, two strong, straight, put together adult type parents, so... Baby, 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 listen to your papa. Hey there, pretty baby, better hurry and get here.
All right, Daddy, I'm coming right out.
Baby, 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 see your pretty mama. Don't you know the minute that you get your foot set here, you're gonna be loved. You're gonna be held. You're gonna be kissed. You're gonna feel warm. You're gonna feel fine. You're gonna get all that I got handy, silver spoons and candy. Baby, 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 Lord, how you are wanted. I got all this love dressed up with no place to go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Baby, 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 gonna love you so. Sing.
Sing, I'll burst into tears.
Oh, good. Sing.
La 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 la.
Good. Louder.
La 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 la.
I can't believe you remember this.
Hey, I can't believe I remember this. Which hand?
Left.
Right. Which leads us into...
It's not bad.
Now, how long has it been since we...
Helen's wedding, August 4th, 1985.
Well, all that's gonna change. You know what? I've been thinking. We're gonna get our weekends back. We'll go canoeing with the kids and make them paddle. We'll play in cars and beat the pants off of them. We'll get that piano fixed on Sunday mornings. They can practice while we make love.
Alan, when did we ever do that?
This time we... Okay, I know it sounds crazy, and I know you need time. But when they were toddlers, wasn't it wonderful?
Alan, it was awful.
Yeah, it was awful.
What's wonderful, too?
What's next?
Grapevine.
Okay, leaving me out. I do not want to influence you. Arlene, tell me. What do you think?
Well, I think I like you this way.
Well, how about this hesitation?
Oh. You say that, won't you?
Okay, let me.
My family always joked about the boy that they got. And though we laughed, I always kind of believed it. Then I met you and found that, boy, was I not. Set out to be a girl and almost achieved it. But to confirm that this is truly my lot, I needed one more thing and now I've conceived it. So I gotta say this, and still you're gonna hear it. I said I'd pay you back, you see, for all the life you've given to me. A better present could there be? Gonna bring a baby back home. Bring our baby back home.
Watch her hurry.
Bring our baby back home.
If it's up to me, kid, you can stay for 2 years there.
You're gonna be loved. You're gonna be bounced. You're gonna be poked. You're gonna be used. You're gonna be out. You're gonna have
Lotions for your body.
grandma to go daddy. Nurses who will place you on your solid silver body. Yeah. Bring a baby back home. See how you have changed us. Nothing stays the same once you become my mom. Wow, wow, wow.
Baby, 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 baby. baby, baby,